I'm Attorney Jeff Robinette. I would like to discuss with you what insurance applies to automobile collision claims. First of all, in West Virginia, like in most states, there are minimum statutory limits for liability coverage that are required by every motorist. This means that every driver and every vehicle on the road is supposed to have a minimum of $25,000 in liability insurance coverage. Unfortunately, about 1 in 6 of drivers in West Virginia, statistically, have been found to be without any insurance whatsoever. This means if you are unfortunately involved in a collision, you have a 1 in 6 chance that you're going to have to deal with being injured or being damaged by someone who doesn't have insurance coverage. This is why state law also requires that vehicles and operators have uninsured motorist coverage for their vehicle and for their personal injury protection. And this means that if you are involved in a collision with a motorist who does not have insurance coverage at all, then it would be your own insurance coverage, what is called uninsured motorist coverage, or UM in capital letters on your insurance policy. That type of insurance would apply to your claim. Thirdly, there are instances where a motorist doesn't have sufficient enough insurance coverage to cover the damages and injuries caused by the collision. And so insurance coverage for underinsured motorist coverage would apply to this claim. If you look on your declarations page of your insurance policy, you will see 3 letters, UIM, in capital letters. That stands for underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage protects you from motorists who have insufficient funds or insurance coverage to pay for your claim. And finally, there is medical payments coverage on your person and occupants of your vehicle. And this insurance is used to apply to medical payments for bills that are associated with injuries stemming from your collision. Now let's do a little mock-up of a motor vehicle collision, and let's see if you can follow the coverage that follows the collision. Let's say that you are stopped at an intersection and an individual coming at a high rate of speed is not paying attention and rear-ends your vehicle. You sustain severe injuries to your neck and are taken by ambulance to the hospital, where you're told that you have a herniated disc in your neck and you will require surgery. And after hospitalization, you come to find out that the individual that hit you only has $25,000 in liability coverage. Yet your medical bills exceed $60,000 alone, not to mention your lost wages and your pain and suffering. So what insurance would apply to ensure that you would get a fair settlement for your claim? You would have to seek your own insurance coverage for underinsured motorist coverage, in addition to the liability coverage that the at-fault driver had on his vehicle. And the medical payments coverage can be used to offset those medical bills. But please keep in mind that the pain and suffering for these types of injuries far exceed the medical payments coverage and the liability coverages that apply. This is why you should carry substantial amounts of underinsured motorist coverage as well as medical payments coverage on your vehicle. Do not rely upon the other guy to carry proper insurance coverage for his negligent acts. But as always, you should seek competent legal counsel to discuss your claim. Do not try to add these numbers up on your own, because these numbers are sophisticated when it comes to applying them to each particular case. And remember that the call to the attorney is free. So please give us a call if you have a question. Thank you.